What if we're given 2 points like -6, -5, and 2, 7, and asked to find the equation of the line without being given a grid? We could use a table of values. Recognizing that the 2 points are ordered pairs that can be positioned in our table, we can then use our table to find our rise and our run. From there, we would still need to find the b value or the y-intercept. To do this, we would need to find the location with an x value of 0 and determine what would be next to it in the y column. By simplifying our slope, we can determine how the x values and the y values are changing. We can then use this to find all of the non-sketchy x and y values between the given coordinates. The simplified slope will be our m value, and we can find our y-intercept or our b value by locating 0 in our x column and finding what's next to it in our y column, just like we did when we found initial values using tables.